Welcome to this class. Today we are going to balance this reaction. This is phosphoric acid, this is ferrous hydroxide or iron 2 hydroxide, this is water, and this is ferric phosphate or iron 3 phosphate. To balance this reaction, at first we have to draw a table like this. So in the left hand side, look, we have hydrogen, which is 3, then we have phosphate, which is 1, then we have iron, which is 1. Look, here we have hydroxide, but in the right hand side we don't have, but we have water, right? We can rewrite this water as HOH. Okay, so look, here we have iron 1, then we have hydroxide, which is 2. In the right hand side we have hydrogen, we have hydrogen here, which is 1, then we have OH, which is 1, then we have iron here, which is 3, look, iron 3, then we have phosphate, which is 2. Here phosphate is 2. So to balance this reaction means we have to balance the number of hydrogen, phosphate, iron and hydroxide from both sides of this reaction. Hydrogen 3, but here 1. So to balance the hydrogen, what can I do? I can simply multiply here by 3, that gives me 3. So if I multiply here by 3, or if I multiply by something, that something must come before the atom. That is, these 3 will come here. Right? If you place here 3, the number of hydrogen is 3, already you have written. The number of hydroxide will be 3. So you need to write here the number of hydroxide. Okay. So hydrogen 3 is balanced. Here phosphate 1, but phosphate 2. So to balance the phosphate, I can simply multiply here by 2, that gives me 2. These 2 must come before this phosphate, that is here. So the number of hydrogen will be here 2 times 3, that is 6. So you need to update your hydrogen, that is 6. Your phosphate is 2. Look, hydrogen here 6, but here 3. So to balance the hydrogen, what can you do? I can multiply here by 2, that gives me 6, and these 2 must come before this hydrogen, that is here. So I have to place here 6. Right? 6 hydrogen. If I place here 6, the number of hydroxide will be 6. So you need to update your hydroxide. Right? Hydrogen 6, then phosphate 2, iron here 1, here 3. So to balance the iron, what can I do? I can multiply here by 3, that gives me 3. These 3 must come before this iron, that is here. So I have to place here 3. If I place here 3, the number of iron is 3, and the number of hydroxide 3 times 2, that is 6. So you need to write here 6. Right? Now look, in the left hand side 6 hydrogen, in the right hand side 6 hydrogen, 2 phosphate, then 3 iron, 6 OH. Everything is balanced. So you can say that this is the balanced chemical reaction. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.